So here's what the shop looks like right now. It always ends up this way when I've been really busy or when we've had a lot of rain, so I can't get this stuff hauled out to where it really belongs. I just end up using it as a dumping ground. I come home, I finish what I'm doing, it all lands right here. If I need to use this for some reason, just take all this junk, kind of stuff it away different places or dump it on top of this pile here. I wish I could just snap my fingers and get it done, but I gotta do the work. See, I did the work. And it was a lot of work, but as you can see, it was well worth it. I've got a clean, organized shop, and I actually enjoy being out here again. Now this front corner didn't show on the before clip, but it was just as bad as the rest of it, believe me. It's looking nice and organized now. Along the wall here, got my oxyacetylene tanks, my stick welder to my MIG welder. They all roll right out when I need them. And that's my thickness planer. It's on a rolling table, so I can pull it into the center of the room when I need it, push it back when I'm done. And I store my portable table saw down there underneath it. Then I got my drill press. It's on a big heavy base, so it's not rolling anywhere, but I can walk right up to it again and use it whenever I need it. After that is my shaper, my bandsaw. Both of them roll into the room when I need them, push back when I'm done. And I have these shelves I recently just built along the wall here, and I purposely made them really shallow because there are so many times when I needed something and I knew I had it, but I had no idea where to look for it, so it was another trip to the lumber yard. Now, everything I have is right there in front of me. If I need something, I can easily find it. I think the icing on the cake here is this TV set. And about 5 or 6 months ago, I had to replace my desktop computer. This one just didn't have enough power for the video editing I was doing. So I brought it out here in the shop. It occurred to me that I could connect this TV to it with an HDMI cable, and I'd have YouTube or Netflix or Amazon, Google search if I'm looking for something. Everything I got is right here, and I have it on a big, beautiful screen. So that really kind of capped off my cleaning here, made it all worth it to me. And now I've got a shop that I can really enjoy and really use.